What's up, guys? We are back with another one. I told you guys we're going to be consistent this year, 2026. One Deep Outdoors is back with it. So tonight, as you know, if you guys see the thumbnail already, we got a mystery tackle box unboxing. So, yeah, man, open it up. Let's see what's inside. I love the stickers, man. I live for the stickers, number one. Let's see. I love that they give you this here when you open it up. It's a little measuring piece of cardboard. You can measure your fish out there on the road. What I did was I took this off. I cut this off here, folded it down, put it in my tackle box from the previous mystery box. I love that. I love that. You never know, man. You might not have one. Put one in there. Put that in there. You'll be happy you did. Right here we got some J hooks. Opening up, we got some J hooks, some weighted J hooks from Brothers Baits, Three Brothers Baits. Which let's open it up. See what they look like. Right there. I don't know if you can see that. Those are pretty cool. You always need that, man. This is a bass box, by the way. This is a bass box. You get all your stuff here. You can scan the QR code on the back. It'll take you to the page, give you instructions on how to fish, what's hot right now, what's not, what's biting in which areas, the best climate for the bite, everything like that. Me, personally, I like an overcast kind of day. We all know when it gets hot, they ain't biting. Right here we got from Black Label Custom Soft Baits. We got some soft baits, green pumpkin. They say scented. Let me see. No, that smells good too. If I was a fish, I'd definitely go for that. So if you can see these here, I don't know if you can see that there. So what you want to do is put your J hook through here, boom, 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 weight it, get it across there. If I was a bass, I'd go for it. Great bait by Black Label. I like the packaging too. Mind you, that kind of Johnny Walker deal. Then we got a topwater frog, a leapfrog from Scum Frog. You guys see that? The glare is kind of crazy. Sorry about that, but yeah, can never go wrong with a topwater frog, leapfrog. What's next? These are gonna be short and simple, guys. They're just unboxing videos. Excite Baits. We have the Tournament Proven Premium Plastic High Floater. That's kind of scented as well. It looks like a little shark tadpole kind of deal. I don't know if you guys can see that. Again, with the weighted J hook. I wouldn't use that weight, but I'd use like a lighter jig head or something. Should work. There's some Excite Baits. And this was a $40 box. I'll let you know at the end of the video if I'm happy or not with spending 40 bucks. So, super scented. Give the fish what they really want from Hooked Up V&M. This is the Bayou Bullfrog, as you can see there. The Bayou Bullfrog. Let's see. Super scented. Not gonna lie, just kind of smells like oil, I guess, but that's that there. It's got a nice little shimmer to it. It's really dark, but anyway, again, weighted J hook through there. You guys already know, right? And then these paddles right here will create great top water movement. A lot of ripples in the water. Big bass should come up and get them. We got from Lucky Strike. We got a crankbait here. The Lucky Strike crankbait. I'm not going to open it just because of treble hooks. Treble hooks get messy, but those are pretty nice. And of course, the best part of the whole unboxing, we got the mystery tackle box, American Bass, right there. Gotta love it. That's it for this unboxing, you guys. Stay tuned for the next one. Be sure to watch our upcoming series for my John boat. It's a 1638. It's a nice heavy boat. It's not all weld. It's a riveted boat. But man, we laid down the first layer of paint on it. You guys will see it in the next video that's coming. We're about to do the camo patterns on it. We're about to do the clear coat on it. It's going to be really nice. I don't know how long the series is going to be, but we're going to finish up the outside and then start on the inside. That should take some time. I'm thinking about buying a welder and doing all of the fabrications myself, me and my buddy Brendan, because we got a lot of videos coming. We want to take the boat. We want to do camping videos, primitive camping videos with catch, clean, and cooks. And it's about to be a big year, man. You know, thank you for sticking around this long, do all the car content. You know, back in the earlier days when we were weekend mods, we really grew a nice fan base around that. But like you heard me say in my previous video, it just wasn't the move anymore. Since then, I've grown to love the outdoors. I've always had a love for the outdoors, but as I've got older, my love has grown even more. So that's where we're at with it. I'm in love with it. It's my passion, and that's just what we're doing right now. And I want to document every step of the way. 2026 is a big year. Everybody says that, but I'm here to show you, as you can see with the consistent uploads, it's going to be a big year. You know, and the goal is to give back to you guys once we're able to. So who knows? The next mystery box, we might give it away to somebody in the comments after we open it up and reveal it here. We might just be fishing and just giving it away to people wherever we're at. If you're on the dock, if you know we bump into you, who knows, we might hand you a bunch of stuff. So yeah, just stay tuned. We appreciate the support here at One Deep Outdoors. We got a new logo coming that I'm actually working on right now, and I'm about to reveal it. Go over to my Instagram page, OneDeep_outdoors. We're about to reveal it probably when this video drops around 8 o'clock. We're going to change the look because we got a new mission. Well, the mission is the same, but, you know, we got a whole new focus. So stick with us. Support us. We got your back. We love you. Until the next one. Peace.